You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly once and for all. We're going to look at how it's said in German and also how it's said in English, especially as it references the adult intelligence scale, the test. German pronunciation of the name: Wechsler, Wechsler. English pronunciation, the most common one, is either Wechsler or most commonly Wechsler, as in the Wechsler test. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.